Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today's going to be awesome. We are going to be doing smoked country style ribs on the Weber kettle, and we have a surprise. We got a rub sent to us, Bexten's Best. Also, it was sent by a guy named Troy Stevens. Actually, all that information will be in the description below. Make sure to check all that stuff out. But this is the rub that we're using. It's a mango peach habanero. So yeah, I will let you know how that turns out and whatnot. I'll leave the link so you guys can check it out for yourself. But that being said, let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, so this is what we got, guys. Country style ribs. Now, I took them out and was checking them out, and something happened. You know, usually these are cut into individual pieces, but it looks like they didn't cut them all the way through to the back. So they're actually connected very closely, or it wasn't cut all the way through. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and leave these just like this. Yeah, I'm gonna get seasoning all over that. So anyway, that's what we got, and we are gonna be using, like I said, Bexten's Best, the mango peach habanero. I actually have it in a little shaker right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these things seasoned up, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, we got them all seasoned up. Here's what they, the rub smells amazing. It smells really, really good. All right, I got the coals lighting up right now, so we'll go ahead and meet you outside by the Weber kettle. All right, guys, so here's my setup on the Weber kettle. So I've got a whole bunch of unlit coals on this side. Threw about 10 briquettes on that side. We got some wood going through, so we get a slow burn from left to right, and it's gonna last a lot longer as well. So that's the setup. Let's go ahead and get the grate on and get the meat on. All right, guys, got it opened up, and let's go ahead and put this on. Yes. All right, guys, we are all set up and good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the top on this thing, and we'll probably check it in a couple of hours, but I'll let you know how long it's been. We'll see you then. All right, guys, it's been 2 hours and 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, man. Those are looking good. And those coals are looking amazing. Check the internal temperature. We're shooting for right around 160. 153. Yes. So, what we're going to do is throw our, we have another gauge here we're going to throw in, and this will let me know once we've reached 160 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and drop the top, and we'll catch you in probably another 30-45 minutes. Okay, guys, it's been actually another 45 minutes, and we reached its 160 degrees internal temperature, and the outside is looking amazing. Awesome. All right, cool. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these inside and wrap them up. We'll see you inside. All right, guys, so we are inside, and I got to say that we're at 160 degrees. The color is looking amazing on these. The smell is amazing also. So all we're going to do is, I've got some pats of butter. I'm going to go ahead and throw about 3 pats of butter on each one of these. Oop, maybe one more. And I'm going to throw some barbecue sauce all around the outer edge. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you want. This is just to help get a little bit of moistness and everything in there. So all right, so we're looking good. Oh, and actually I'm going to add the last of the mango peach habanero seasoning all over around here. Top the butter on top of the ribs. I really want to try it. I want to see what it tastes like. So all right, we're going to go ahead and wrap this thing up. All right, now we're all wrapped up. We're going to throw it back on the pit. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we're back at the grill, and we're going to go ahead and throw these back on, and we're going to get the probe right back in. I know I got the other thicker meat over here, and we're going to drop the top until these reach right around 200 degrees. So let's go ahead and close the top. And we're still cooking around 250 or so. So we'll see in probably an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I'll let you know how long it's been. See you then. Okay guys, it's actually been another almost 2 hours, hour like 50 something minutes. So the internal temp reached 203 degrees. So there we are, we got it. Nothing great to see there, but we're gonna go ahead and take it inside and let it rest, and we'll see you in a minute. All right guys, this is what we ended up with. I took it off and I let it sit. It's been an hour, sitting here for an hour. I haven't opened it, I haven't done nothing. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Oh, and it's still pretty dang hot after an hour of just sitting here. Oh my gosh. That smells so delicious. You know what? I'm going to take it off of this foil, and I'm going to get you in for a closer look. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, now we're back without the foil. And as I said at the beginning, they were not cut all the way, which actually I kind of liked. It was pretty cool, so I'm just cutting these up like this. And I'm just going to see, whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at these things. Alright, let's cut into it and see what we got. Oh my gosh. That is so tender. I'm talking about just no pressure, just cut. Look at that. That is phenomenal. Great. Great cook. So, and it's almost pulled pork. Alright. I'm going to bring you back for one last taste test. These things turned out absolutely amazing. This is a must try for sure. So we'll be back in just a minute to wrap this thing up. See you in a minute. Alright guys, the cook is finished and I am super satisfied. I mean, this is how it turned out across the board. Let me see if we can get you in here real quick. So we got that. I mean, the smoke ring, I'm not sure about the juices and stuff, but the smoke ring, anyway, the smoke ring is literally almost all the way through the whole thing. There's a little center piece that's not smoked. And it's just juicy and fall apart. 1 minute. Alright guys, so yeah, that bite was amazing. It was just awesome, perfectly smoked, and I gotta say, Bexten's best on the habanero, peach, or the mango peach habanero. It was phenomenal. It's not as strong as I thought it was. It's very subtle, so you can actually use, I would use actually a little bit more, but I will definitely be buying some more of that. If you're interested, check the information in the description below. That information will be in there for Bexten's website, so you can check that out. Make sure to also check the iCard for other videos and stuff like that. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe if you like the content. And with that being said, I am going to enjoy the rest of these. I got some beans and some other stuff going on. But we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.